In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check balance on MetaTrader 5. Whether you're completely new to MetaTrader 5 or you've been using it for a while and just need a quick refresher, understanding where to find your account balance is essential. Your balance is the starting point for every trading decision you make, and it's important to know how to check it quickly and confidently. First, make sure you're logged in to your MetaTrader 5 terminal. You can use either the web version or the desktop app. The layout is very similar. Once you're inside the trading platform and you see your charts and symbols, I want you to look towards the bottom part of the screen. This lower area is usually called the toolbox. The toolbox is a panel that sits at the bottom of the interface and contains several useful tabs, such as trade, history, news, and others, depending on your setup. If you don't see it right away, it might be minimized or hidden. Look for a horizontal bar or a small handle at the bottom of the platform and click or drag it up to reveal the toolbox. On some layouts, you can also enable it through the View menu by selecting the option that shows the toolbox. Once the toolbox is visible, take a moment to familiarize yourself with it. This is where you'll see your open positions, pending orders, account history, and other details that are crucial for trading. Inside this panel, you'll find the area that displays your account information, including your balance. Now, within this toolbox section, look for the label that says Balance. In most cases, this will appear near the bottom of the Trade tab, alongside other important figures such as equity, margin, free margin, and margin level. To view your balance, simply locate the balance line and check the value shown next to it. This number represents the total funds in your account, excluding any floating profit or loss from open trades. If you hover around that area or click on the balance label, it will remain highlighted so you can clearly see it. Keep in mind that your balance will change whenever you close trades, deposit funds, or withdraw money from your account. For active positions, remember that what you can actually use for new trades is better reflected by your equity and free margin, but your balance line is the core reference for your account